Hey there, I'm Annie Blanco for HomeSecurityStore.com. ELK's M1 Gold Control is a favorite among professional installers and comes highly recommended by home security store technicians. That's because the M1 is capable of controlling from a single source not only your home security, but your lighting, thermostats, sprinklers, gates, garage doors, window coverings, water heaters, and even your audio system. And all these devices can be controlled from your iPhone, cell phone, home computer, or over the web. The M1 Gold is called a cross-platform control because it has endless options and interfaces with so many other systems. The M1 Gold kit has a lot of built-in features that would be costly add-ons for most other systems. The circuit board has removable terminal blocks and a convenient on-off switch, plus a serial connection for PC programming. Also on the board is an RJ11 connector for direct connection to X10 lighting and control. End users will definitely welcome the quality and futuristic capabilities of the M1 with its versatile keypad and built-in telephone remote, which can make any phone a keypad. And it can also call a homeowner and play a message or alert notification. Plus, the system's 500-word vocabulary announces system status. This means when an alarm goes off, a voice announces the particulars over a loudspeaker, such as smoke detector in the garage has been activated, or greenhouse temperature is 84 degrees. Therefore, this gives you the specifics of what is happening during system activity and alerts you to predetermined situations. You can also program the M1 to control lighting throughout your property. This means you can turn exterior lights on when you drive up the driveway, or turn on the hall lights when a motion sensor is tripped. You can also turn off all the lights when the alarm gets set and then generate a lived-in look while you're away. And here's a look at some more of the M1 features. There's a large zone capacity with 16 onboard zones, expandable up to 208. These can be security zones, but also can be used for temperature sensors, rain sensors, and other devices. Plus, there's wireless capability up to 144 zones by using one ELK wireless receiver. There's also a two-way listen-in interface and flash memory, which allows the system to be updated as new features become available. The system can log up to 512 events, and there's menu-driven full-text keypad programming. The system supports 8 partitions, and there's an optional Ethernet port. With the ELK-M1 Gold, simple-to-use keypads, touchscreens, and computer software allow you to be in control on-premise. But you also have control remotely over the internet as well. You can use your iPod Touch, web-enabled phone, BlackBerry, or simply an ordinary telephone for control. And as a bonus, there's also an automatic water cutoff option that can be triggered either by an armed state, such as vacation mode, or because a water leak has been detected under a sink or even a basement. There are many accessories that can be paired up with the M1, made by not only ELK, but by integrating over 40 manufacturer partners. Rest assured, there's a solution for anything you would like to do. ELK works with GE and Honeywell Wireless, so upgrading an existing security system to a state-of-the-art control system is an affordable option. For more on the M1 Gold, we turn to Melissa Hurt from ELK. Hi, Melissa.
Hi, Annie.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
Okay, now this system, it's not just for homes under construction.
Nope, we actually designed it out the gate with the large wireless capabilities, so we can do 144 wireless zones, and this can be doors and windows, those can be water sensors, or a plethora of other devices. Also, we can integrate with a lot of lighting manufacturers that do work off the existing power line. X10 is one of those, and there's many others as well.
All right, Melissa, what would you say is the most common reason that someone chooses the ELK-M1 Gold?
It's absolutely energy management. Being able to use the simple act of arming the system, having that set back the thermostat and turning off unused lights is huge. The system ends up paying for itself.
And I take it this system is fun to live with.
It really is. When I open my front door, my light comes on, so it has a wow factor that's real simple. And I can also sit on my couch and I can adjust the lighting, open my garage door, arm and disarm the system. It's really a fun system to live with, like you said.
All right, and the programming, is it hard to do now? Be honest.
There's a little bit of a learning curve, but we did set up the system with Windows-based software. So it's pretty straightforward. Also, the keypad has text-driven menus, so you can program it through the keypad as well. So it's just simple menus that you go through. Also, with the addition of the great tech support department at the home security store, anybody could get through this.
Okay, we've got the iPhone here. Now, the iPhone is compatible with the M1 Gold. Can you show us a little bit about that?
Yep, we have an app, and there's a variety of different things that you can add to the app, including CCTV applications, and so you can look at your front door through the app. But I'll just arm the system.
Area 1 is armed. Away mode.
And it has voice in it.
1 is disarmed.
So it gives you the feedback of what's happening within the system. So, but from your app, you can arm the system, disarm the system, of course, and then also control lighting, adjust audio. So a lot of flexibility from an affordable device.
So the system talks to you?
It does talk to you. It just gives you audible feedback about things that somebody might care about.
Okay, so for instance, if a zone is breached, we're really going to care about that. It might tell you bedroom door open.
Yes, instead of just a generic siren noise going off if the alarm has gone off, it's going to make the siren noise, and then in addition to that, it's going to say, bedroom door number 2, window has been violated.
Okay, and not only compatible with the iPhone, iTouch, BlackBerry, any 3G compatible phone, but it's also works with an ordinary telephone.
Yep, there's a telephone interface built in for both local and calling into the system, but as well as picking up any phone that's within the house and arming and disarming and having control of the things that we've already mentioned.
All right, any final words on the M1?
One of the neat things about the system, it's not an obsolete system from the moment you buy it. We have flash memory capability, so you can update the firmware and the keypads, the input expanders. So as we continue to expand what we integrate with, the systems that are bought today will be able to be upgraded as well.
All right, thanks, Melissa. Now remember, with all purchases made at homesecurity.com comes free lifetime tech support. So if you don't have the answer at home, I'm sure we'll have it here. I'm Annie Polanco, and this is Melissa. We'll see you next time.